February 5th, 2026, and the counterweight actually worked really well. There's a lot of weight on the end. As you can see, the engine's at the very tail end. So this went up pretty good with minimal problems. And what I did is I built a carriage and I put the front loader as the weight. Whatever better way of storing this than just to put it on the back. So I did all this welding on this carriage, and what I did is I wedged the pieces here because when you jerk it, this thing fell off on the driveway, on the concrete. So it's got a substantial amount of weight to counterweight whatever it's picking up on that side. So I'm really pleased with the way that happened to me. A good balance situation. I was thinking about buying plate, but the plate would have been very expensive. What better way of storing it again and counterweighting whatever it is that I have over here. This weight, I mean, you can see I got a tank. The blower's not on there, but you got a framing, you got an engine. So there's a lot of weight here. So I'm really pleased by the way that turned out. I'm not sure if I can get it really much higher. I don't really want to get it much higher. This thing will actually go 8.5 feet. It goes up pretty far, and I'm surprised. Like I said, I'll get off this thing and it won't have any issues. It's a lot of weight here, and you can see like the engine's about 140 pounds. Okay, I weigh a couple hundred, so I just came off this thing. Still is a really good counterweight and a great storage place for the front loader. So I'm really pleased with this. And I'm going to dismantle this, and I'm going to throw everything else out except for the engine. Whatever I can save in the tank will be used as a template for my Blue Baron truck mounts. Brand new over the wheel well type of tag. As you can see, you can put that right over the wheel well. So I'm going to use this as a template. It's got the side mount for your chemical container, but as you can see, the forks go in far enough. You can see they come in far enough so that they support the pallet. So I'm really pleased with the way this turned out. A lot of power in this little thing, and I like the fact that, you know, you can do a 360. So I'm very pleased with the way that turned out. I don't really want to get it much higher than that. Actually, that is the height of most tractor trailers. I think it's about, well, maybe 60 inches. Let me just check on it. If it's at least 50, it'll work out. See, it's 55 inches from here, so you know for a fact that I think the Carriers, the LTL Carriers, or any Carrier with a slider is usually about 50 inches, 49, 50 inches. So that actually would go right on there, but I need more practice because this can be really kind of scary in a way. I think I'm going to mostly try to keep it waist level and just take it out to the truck, and then they can take it from there. But it beats using the trailer, because the trailer got really involved where I'd have to use a winch. So anyways, February 6th, 2026, and this counterweight made a lot of sense. Otherwise, this thing with the back end would have came up. Never would have been able to do this.